The E1 error code on a Sanyo washing machine indicates that there is little to no water flowing into the tub. This issue can be caused by several factors, including faulty water sensors, which prevent the machine from receiving signals that the required water level has been reached. A kinked or bent inlet pipe can also reduce or block water flow, leading to the E1 error code. Additionally, dirty filters can accumulate dirt and lint over time, restricting water flow into the tub. Insufficient water supply, due to low water pressure or closed valves, can also trigger this error code. To resolve the E1 error code, several solutions can be applied. If a faulty water sensor is the cause, it may need to be replaced with a new water level sensor, which can be confirmed by testing with a multimeter. If unsure about how to remove and replace the sensor, it's recommended to contact a technician for assistance. Unclogging the water inlet valve can also resolve the issue. This involves switching off and unplugging the washing machine, removing the water valves, cleaning them with distilled white vinegar, and then returning them to the washer. If the inlet valve is faulty, it may need to be replaced with a new one, which can be installed by the user or a technician. In cases where the error code is caused by a clogged pressure switch hose, the hose can be unclogged by disconnecting the pressure switch pipe, pouring hydrochloric acid into the pipe, waiting for 30 minutes, and then flushing the pipe with clean water. After completing these steps, the washing machine can be turned on to drain out the acid water and any blockages in the pipe.